Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing the February glossy box. My background is a bit different. My Mac's back there and I just have some little things that are really nice, and I do have some fairy lights, as you can see. Putting out like a little bit of stuff in the background. So today it is my Glossybox February edition unboxing. My January went up today, so hopefully you do like it. I did like my makeup and everything. If you want to see how I did this like purpley kind of with a little bit of sparkle on my eyelid, please let me know and I'll do a video for you on that. But this is the February Glossybox. It is in black. You either get a black or a white one, so I do like that. And you still get the card, so I'm just going to scan this. Just bear with me so I can scan it, you know how we do here. Just wait, there we go. So it's the glossy box. It's like timeless treats, and this is what it looks like on the cover. Just what it is. So I'm just going to leave that down to this, probably down there for a minute. There we go. So just going to get all the facts about each and every one. So you either get a white box or a black box. Now, I've already used spray. I've already got this spray, but it smells divine. So I'm just going to spray it again. Oh my god, it smells so gorgeous. And this is basically, we've got the deluxe mini. So I think we should have got the full size in the rituals. I really do, because I feel like that is something that is really good. So the mini is £5.90, and it is the Ritual of Mare Sparkling and Hair Body Mist. I don't know if it's sparkling actually, let me just try. Well, that's a bit too far. It does have a little bit of sparkle, but nothing much. But you can put this in your hair as well. So this is what that one looks like. This is what this looks like. It's just very nice. I like the packaging, very orange, and it is got sweet orange and cedar wood, and it's only 20ml, so I can see me going through this a lot. The full size is £17.50, but this is only £5.90 for the mini. I probably thought, you know, just get the big one in there because it'd be probably a bit more worth it. Then we have the eyeliner. Now the inner mask eyeliner is only a mini size. I will actually show you what the full size compared to the mini size look like. I did get this, I think it was in a glossy box. I think calendar, but I did it like a few years ago. So this is the, okay, get it out. This is the mini. As you can see, it's very mini. This is the full size. So that is quite a big chunk out of it, as you can see. So yeah, this is mini size, full size. They're both in black. I might just give this away to like a family member or something like that, because I'm not going to use that because I've already got the full size, and it's not that, I'm not kind of, you know, liking it that much. So the mini is £10 and the full size is £21. Then we've got a toner, which is basically $34.99, and this is the toner. So this is the toner. Now apparently this is worth $34.99 for this little bit. I'm going to smell it, see what it smells like. It's alright. It's an original Essence toner. I've never used an Essence toner before. So I might give this a watch to see how we go with it, because apparently Essence are really good for you. It helps absorb all the products into your skin apparently. It's cruelty-free, natural ingredients, a vegan product as well, and it's vegan by Happy Skin. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that out. We have the brow mascara. So the BFF, it's by Beauty Crop. I've had a couple of things by Beauty Crop. I'm not really loving them, to say the least. I'm not really like, oh my god, Griff, get this, get this. I have hit and miss with Beauty Crop. But this is the BFF Brow Friends Forever. And that's kind of cute. And it's a Grow and Groom Brow Gel. So this is what it looks like. I like the packaging. It looks really nice. So as we could take it off, there's hearts all around. Oh, there's either BFF on the little thing like that. But I'm just going to test this quickly because I want to know how sticky it is. I'm going to test it quickly because I want to know how sticky it is. So let's try this. How well does it stick your brows? Heads up. It's sticking out of them slightly, but it's not really that of them. I think I just have to work a little bit with this product to see how this is. Then we have a 3-in-1 conditioner hair mask finishing cream. So it says directions: apply after shampoo and work into wet hair and rinse. As a mask, apply to damp or dry hair and leave overnight. Apply to restyle hair as a finishing cream. Okay, this is kind of nice actually. I like the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It's beautiful as well. Like, it's just that lilac-y kind of colour, which is like really nice. Let's smell it. It smells pretty nice actually. It smells gorgeous. So it smells pretty good. That smells really nice. So they're all the products. So all these products are right here. That's all we got in today in February's glossy box. But I want to see what we have, like a sneak peek. I think they should have had like some more Valentine's Day bits as well. Oh, so we've got, so next month we've got Glossy Wonderland, which you will get a rose liquid highlighter. Ooh, for spring, you know, we're coming into the months where it's going to be sunny a bit and it's going to be really nice. But yeah, that's all I got for Glossybox in February. I actually do like them. Their products are really nice. Thought they'd like put in like something a bit more like Valentine's Day with it, because Valentine's Day is in on the 14th of Feb and it's the 6th today. So 14th of Feb is Valentine's Day. I thought they'd put like a little bit of chocolates in there for you for Valentine's Day, you know, get the jizz up. The only Valentine's thing in here remotely is the BFF Brow Friends Forever. So you get a BFF Brow Friends and that's really like hearty and everything, so I do like that. The Rituals Body and Hair Mist was really nice. I don't know if I'm going to put that on my hair, but on my body, yeah, why not? It smells really nice. It smells really fragrant. I do like that. It just smells gorgeous. All the products that I'm going to be using, I will test as well, and then I will see how I like them. But yeah, hopefully you do enjoy this unboxing of Glossybox in February, and if you are subscribed to it, let me know how you're liking it so far in 2022. I'm liking it so far. I just wish there was a bit more Valentine's Day with this box. But you know what? You live and you learn, you know? You see what we get in next month. I do remember when I did Glossybox not last year, the year before, I had some chocolate in there to nibble on, which was like, yes please. And I think in Valentine's Day, the Glossybox in Feb, I think that was a bit like Valentine's Day, but I can't remember. But yeah, I do like that Glossybox. So yeah, let me know how you think of these. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.